She must chop my money. We gon' got you. Chop my money. What am I gonna do? Chop my money. Come on. I don't care. Come on. Chop my money. Okay, no. Chop my money. Chop my money. Cause I don't care. I don't care. Abuja, are you ready right now?
Hey! They decided to wake up. And stop what's going on right now. Hey! Ladies and gentlemen, fight to decide what's going on right now. Are you ready yet?
She must chop my money. We gon' got you. Chop my money. What am I gonna do? Chop my money. Come on. I don't care. Come on. Chop my money. Okay, no. Chop my money. Chop my money. Cause I don't care. I don't care. Abuja, are you ready right now?
Where each country organize awareness for people to be aware about cybercrime. So the purpose of this event is to make members of the public be aware about cybercrime. What is cybercrime and how do we go against it?
So what message are you trying to pass across?
The message we are trying to pass is for people to be careful, for people to be aware that the world has changed. A crime is dynamic. It changes with time. So as it changes with time, members of the public must also change their perception toward it.
So for record purpose, can we have your name on camera?
I am DIG Sadiq Idris Abubakar, PhD, MNI. I am the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of criminal investigation of the Nigerian Police Force. I'm sure we are ahead of them because we are more organized, more enlightened, and we are technologically positioned to see that we counter their thought.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You know, cybercrime is like it's a new generation crime. Many people don't know about it. What constitutes the cybercrime, and how do you go against the cybercrime? So that is why we now organize this event in order to make members of the public to be aware about what it is called and how we can guide against it.
So what message do you have for our youths who are involved in internet fraud?
Well, and they can see that it is an advanced crime, but I want to assure them the Nigerian police is far ahead of them. We are technologically positioned, well enlightened, and that they better change their minds and be good citizens of Nigeria. Otherwise, we will be out for them.
So how do you see the fight against cybercrime? Where are we in Nigeria?
The federal government is doing a lot. There are so many organizations, so many things have been put in place to see that cybercrime is being checked. So I think we are in a better position today. We are better off.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry I can't.
People using deep fakes, people using voice-changing apps to scam people. It's going on every day. It's going on every day. So you need to be sure of what you're doing online so that you don't lose your money, so that you don't lose your data, so that you don't lose your information. So we have to be aware of our environment, our online environment, to help victims of cybercrime. The Inspector General of Police is out to help victims of cybercrime. And that is why they created the National Cybercrime Center of the Nigerian Police Force. The IG is so passionate. The IGP is so passionate to fight this crime head on. So let us join hands in fighting this crime. So it's not about the National Cybercrime Center. It's not about everyone of the report. It's about all of us. The life.
Yes, good morning. So my name is Chris Grimson. I work for the British High Commission here in Nigeria, and I wanted to come today to show our support to Nigeria in this very difficult and challenging environment, which is cybercrime. We all know that it's a global problem, and we all have to work together to tackle that problem to make our lives and the lives of our friends, family, children safer for all of us. We are behind Nigeria, we work with Nigeria, and we support you all. So thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Thank you.